Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix restart to repair drive errors, then look for the following solutions. Now the first and most logical solution would be is to restart the computer as the error message says. So we restart the computer by left clicking on the start button, looking for the power tab and clicking on restart. The second solution would be is to run a check disk scan, and we do that by right clicking on command prompt, run as administrator, yes, and we input the command chk dsk space /f space /r, press enter, y, and enter, and this should run the scan and fix the error. And the last and final solution would be to run the command prompt as administrator, yes, and input the command chk ntfs space /x space slash whichever disk is creating the error, whichever drive is creating the error. In this case, it would be C as an example. So let me do it again. chk ntfs space /x space C colon and press enter. The type of file system is NTFS, and this should resolve the error. Now restart the computer and you will no longer see this error again. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.